One day our sun will die, not in a movie, not in a myth, but in real life. And when it does, it won't go quickly. So, what really happens when the sun dies? How much time do we have? And could humanity survive it? The sun is about 4.6 billion years old and it's already halfway through its life cycle. It's a G-type meal sequence star, powered by nuclear fusion, turning hydrogen into helium in its core. But this fuel won't last forever. Every second, the sun loses 4 million tons of mass as energy. It's slowly dying right now. We have around 5 billion years left. But when it starts to die, the process will be terrifyingly dramatic. And do you know the real reason why the sun swells before it dies? It might shock you. Right now, hydrogen fusion in the sun's core keeps the gravity in check. But when hydrogen runs out, fusion slows and gravity starts collapsing the core inward. And as the core shrinks, it heats up even more, reaching extreme temperatures. This triggers hydrogen fusion in a shell around the core, and eventually even helium fusion. The outer layers no longer held tightly, they expand violently due to the surge of energy being pushed outwards. So the sun becomes a red giant, not because it's growing stronger, but because it's losing control. The red giant sun will be hundreds of times larger than it is today. Mercury and Venus gone. Earth, it might survive the expansion by a razor-thin margin, but the surface will be unrecognizable. Oceans boil, atmosphere vaporizes, life as we know it ends. But we are not done yet. After the red giant phase, the sun sheds its outer layers, creating a glowing bubble of gas, a planetary nebula. At the center remains a white dwarf, no fusion, just intense leftover heat and pressure. This white dwarf will fade slowly for trillions of years, becoming a black dwarf, a cold dark remnant. But the universe isn't old enough for even one black dwarf to exist yet. You are living in a time before the first black dwarfs are born, and we can only survive if we leave Earth permanently. Mars, Europa, still too close to survive the red giant's rage. We'll need to leave the solar system entirely, colonize worlds orbiting other stars. And this isn't a fantasy, it's a responsibility to our species, to our future. But the death of the sun isn't just an ending, it's the scattered elements will seed new stars, new planets, maybe even new life. The carbon in your DNA, the iron in your blood, all forged in stars. You are made of dying stars. The sun dies and the circle continues. The sun gave us light, gave us warmth, gave us life, and one day it will take it all back. But maybe that's our greatest challenge and our greatest opportunity. Subscribe and share this video with your space enthusiast friend if you believe humanity can survive beyond the sun. And comment below, will we escape in time or vanish with our star? And don't miss the next episode, The Sun's Past, how it changed over billions of years. And I'll meet you in the next video.